Kuku means hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lovette. If today is your first time of seeing this beautiful YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are subscribed, thank you, and may God continue to bless you all. So guys, on this video I'll be showing you guys how I create this beautiful makeup look. Okay guys, first of all, after doing my face, this is my face primer. After doing my face primer, I use the foundation. Guys, the foundation I use is from Juvia's, and this very brush is from Juvia. This brush, it blends very well. Sometimes I use only the brush. After using the brush, and I use a beauty blender to blend it to get the shade. Nice, okay. After doing that, I use the contour I use is from Revolution. Yes, guys, the contour I use the Revolution. I use number 10, and this contour is very dark and very easy to blend. Okay, the brush I use is from Juvia's. I love Juvia's. When they come to makeup, I prefer Juvia's and Revolution because that is the foundation, the product that is very easy to use and not too expensive. Their product is very 10 over 10. Their product is very good for me because whenever I use their product, I can leave my makeup for 24 hours. Okay, and the concealer I use is Maybelline. This full coverage Maybelline concealer I use, and the Juvia's concealer. These two concealer it is very good. I love especially this Maybelline concealer. I've never seen my shade of for their foundation, because their foundation I've never get my shade for that. But their concealer, concealer, you can use any shade of your choice except black for the light skin like me. Okay, the setting powder I use is from Juvia's too. I use Juvia's and the Huda Beauty powder, setting powder, especially the Huda Beauty. I love that is expensive, but it worth it. Okay, this brush is from Juvia's. Okay, the brush is very anyway, anything concerned Juvia, their product is good. Okay, after using that, I use the brown doing my brow, guys. Okay, doing your brow after makeup, after you do your foundation. For me, it's not difficult for me. Sometimes it's difficult, but most of the time, I prefer doing my makeup before the brow, because yes, guys, I love to do my brow, do my foundation, do my makeup first before the brow. After doing the brow, I use this white concealer. I use is from P. Louise. Yeah. This P. Louise concealer I use, this white shade. The eye base concealer from P. Louise I use, it is very good. And the eyeshadow I use is from Juvia's. You guys know me on this page. You guys, you will know that I love using Juvia because their tint is very good. It's not too expensive, and their quality is very good. Okay, this is me after everything. The makeup was so very beautiful, guys. Okay, it was very beautiful. To do a voice record is not easy, guys. After doing your makeup, you will still continue to do a voice over. Okay, voice over, it is very difficult. Voice over is not for me. It's not for me, but I'm just trying my best to do that, because voice over is not for me at all. This is me after the makeup. Very beautiful. The makeup was given. My eyeshadow, my lipstick, my powder, my eyeliner, everything was so very given. On the 10 over 10, I will give myself 10 over 10, guys. Yeah, I'm going to give myself that. Even though you don't give me that, I'm going to give myself 10 over 10. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and may God continue to bless you all. Please like my video, share, please subscribe, please guys. like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please guys, give me a courage, comment. Love you all. Bye bye.